Introduction to Catfish Farming, Beginner's Training, Episode 1. Catfish farming is one of the most reliable livestock businesses in Nigeria because catfish grows fast, tolerates different environments, and has steady market demand all year round. But success in catfish farming is not about luck. It is about knowledge, planning, and correct management from day one. Catfish farming means raising African catfish, scientifically called Clarias gariepinis, in a controlled environment for food and profit. These fish are popular because they grow quickly, survive low oxygen better than most fish, and can be raised in ponds, tanks, or tarpaulin systems. Before you start catfish farming, you must understand the three foundation pillars: pond system, water management, and feeding. First, pond systems. Catfish can be raised in earthen ponds, concrete ponds, plastic tanks, fiberglass tanks, or tarpaulin ponds. Each system has its advantages and cost implications. Beginners often start with tarpaulin or plastic tanks because they are cheaper, easier to manage, and suitable for small spaces. Second, water quality. Water is the life of catfish. Clean water with the right temperature, oxygen level, and pH determines growth and survival. Catfish thrive best in clean water between 26 to 30 degrees Celsius. Dirty water causes stress, slow growth, diseases, and mass death. Regular water exchange is not optional, it is mandatory. Third, feeding. Feed accounts for over 60% of production cost. Catfish require high-protein floating feed, especially at the early stage. Feeding must be controlled, timely, and appropriate to the fish size. Overfeeding wastes money and pollutes water. Underfeeding slows growth and reduces profit. Another critical factor is stocking density. Stocking too many fish in a small pond is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. Overstocking leads to competition for oxygen, disease outbreak, and stunted growth. Proper spacing gives better growth and higher survival rate. You must also understand fingerlings quality. Your farm can never be better than the fingerlings you stock. Always buy healthy, active fingerlings from trusted hatcheries. Weak fingerlings mean early losses and poor harvest. Catfish farming is not a pour water and feed business. It requires daily observation. You must watch fish behavior, feeding response, water color, smell, and mortality signs. This series will break down everything step by step: pond construction, stocking, feeding schedule, water management, common diseases, prevention methods, harvesting, and profit calculation. If you are serious about learning catfish farming the right way, follow me and stay tuned for the next episode where we will discuss pond selection and setup in detail.